Hey butterflies, it's Melissa. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. If you remember, this is my teacher planner, and I kind of wanted to give you guys an update now that we've gotten through the first quarter and I've kind of gotten more of how I'm using it. Excuse me. So I use my monthly view like this, and I put all my meetings, when we're gonna have quizzes and tests, anything like I have morning duty that week. If I have a sub, you notice that's in pencil. I didn't go back over it. That's something that I do, is that I will put stuff in pencil, and then if things get moved, so I don't have to do stuff like that, or we've had all these snow days in February, like seriously, we did not go to school that often in February, that I can just easily erase it, and then I usually go back. I just haven't gone back yet because honestly it's not that big of a deal. But you can see I had parent conferences. This is spring break, so there's nothing, but you can see I already have some stuff in here that is like non-movable really, so it's in there in pen. But again, then I have stuff over here that is in pencil, lots of pencil stuff. So that is one thing that I do. I love it. It's making my life a lot easier. And then I want to show you how I started out using it this way, like the weeklies, where I was like making checklists, and then of what I wanted to do, and then the plans, and then it just wasn't working for me. And this little area was for meetings and stuff, and then I was using Saturday, Sunday to make like master to-do lists, and it was just too much. It was not working out for me, so I ended up the next week simplifying it. Plans go here, other stuff like morning duty, all that kind of stuff goes still in this area. And then I tried this again, kept going. Honestly, I'll just skip to show you how it is working for me now. Take this off. But like here. So I kind of just don't even use this part anymore, which feels wasteful, but yeah, it is what it is. I have been putting up at the top how many weeks to go because it makes me feel better at the beginning of the week. If you don't know, I've been having kind of a rough semester, but I put in what my plans are, and again, then here's what like my meetings and stuff. If I need to, is there an example? Things like eligibility, if it's like big, I try to put it there. You can see I kind of was, for the most part, using this checklist thing, and I will sometimes, but what I usually do is like this, is I'll put something important here, like this was the last day to accept missing work. I needed to email a parent, so I made it bigger instead of just putting it here because it'll get lost. If there's something more important, like I need to do that day, I will like block it off. So yeah, that is how I've been using it. I only teach one subject, so that's what makes it easier for me. If I had two subjects, I would probably split this in half, the day in half, and put plans on one day and the other, and then still keep this for meetings and things like that. So biggest thing is not a lot of stickers. I thought I might put a few, but just kind of like my school ones that I have that I've put in here for like no school and stuff like that, just on the monthlies and spring break. But the biggest thing is putting everything in pencil first and then in pen afterwards. And that's really important, like teaching wise, because if I do end up teaching this next year, I have my pacing right here, so I can just pull out my planner and look at it. One thing I do really like to do is I take one of my planner clips and I take the month and then the day or week that we're in and put the clip there so that it's easy to go back and forth. And yeah, So that is how I have been using my Erin Condren horizontal for my teacher planner. Wow. Let me know if you are a teacher, and if so, what planner you use. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.